Hello and once again welcome to Kids Hub. This video is an effort on my part to translate the poem Mere Desh Ke Lal by poet Balkavi Bairagi into English. Hope you'll all understand and enjoy it. Mere Desh Ke Lal meaning my country, India's children. आप जानते ही हैं हमारा भारत देश कैसा है. आप जानते ही हैं meaning you know how is our country India. भारत की भौगोलिक, प्राकृतिक और सांस्कृतिक विशेषताएं क्या है? What are the भौगोलिक means geographical, प्राकृतिक means natural और सांस्कृतिक means cultural, विशेषताएं means specialities. You all know what are the geographical, natural and cultural specialities of India. भारत का बच्चा क्या कर सकता है? What can each and every child of India do? भारतवासियों का तन मन कैसा है? How is the mind or body and soul of each Indian citizen? वे किस तरह का जीवन जीना पसंद करते हैं? What kind of lifestyle do they like to live? स्थितियां कैसी भी हों, वे क्या करने को कभी भी तैयार नहीं हो सकते. Whatever be the situations, what are the things still that they won't do? यदि देश की आन बान शान पर बन आए तो वे किस हद तक जोखिम उठा सकते हैं? An Ban Shan means the fame and the pride. Jokhim means risk. In case there is a risk to the pride of the country, to what extent Indians are ready or willing to take risk? हम भारतीयों को विश्व किस रूप में पहचानता है? What does the world think about us? पाठ प्रवेश. यदि यह सब नहीं जानते तो इस कविता के माध्यम से जान सकते हैं. If you do not know about all the things mentioned above, you can know them through this poem. यदि कुछ जानते हैं तो उसकी पुष्टि कर सकते हैं. If you know something about all those things mentioned above, then it can be reconfirmed. अपनी जानकारी को और विस्तार दे सकते हैं. जानकारी means knowledge, विस्तार means expansion. You can further expand your knowledge. अपने जाने हुए में सुधार कर सकते हैं. Whatever you know, you can improve on that. बाल कवि बैरागी ने अपनी इस कविता के माध्यम से पाठकों को यही सब तो बताना चाहा है. बाल कवि बैरागी through this poem has wished to tell all the readers all the things mentioned above. I hope you understood this. In case you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely get back to you. दूध दही की नदियां जिसके आंचल में कलकल करती, हीरा पन्ना मानिक से है पटी जहां की शुभ धरती. दूध दही here means milk and curd. Nadiyan, river. Anchal, lap. Kalkal, it's a sound of the flowing river. Hira, diamond. Panna, emerald. Manik, ruby. Pati means laid or it contains. Shubh dharti means the pure land. The pure Indian land, it has many rivers flowing on it. These rivers are referred to as rivers of milk and curd because they originate from the snow-clad Himalayas. And this land, it contains lots of precious gems like diamond, emerald and ruby. हल्की नोकें जिस धरती की मोती से मांगे भरती, उच्च हिमालय के शिखरों पर जिसकी ऊंची ध्वजा फहरती। हल्की नोकें, here it means the plows with which agriculture is done. Moti, pearl. Mangi, part. Bharti means fills. Uch Himalay, the tall Himalayas. Shikhro, peaks. Dhwaja, flag, and Faherti means sails. This is a country where agriculture is done, and the grains of the crops, they adorn the lanes of the fields. And our flag, it sails with pride on the tall peaks of the Himalayas. Now, the meaning of the next two lines. रखवाले ऐसी धरती के हाथ बढ़ाना क्या जाने, मेरे देश के लाल हटीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने. रखवाले means watchman, धरती land, हाथ बढ़ाना, to spread hands in front of others. मेरे देश के लाल, my country's pet or children. हटीले means stubborn, शीश, head, झुकाना, bend. क्या जाने, how do they know? How do the watchmen of such a land know to spread hands in front of others? Also, मेरे देश के लाल हटीले, the stubborn children of my country, how do they know to bend their heads in front of others? आजादी अधिकार सभी का, जहां बोलते सेनानी, विश्व शांति के गीत सुनाती, जहां चुनरिया ये धानी. आजादी means independence, अधिकार, right, सेनानी, soldiers, विश्व शांति, world peace, गीत, song, चुनरिया, here it's dupatta, a dress being referred to here. Dhani means the green crops which adorn the fields. Here the soldiers, they talk about independence. They consider that it's everybody's right to be independent. And the green fields, they sing the song of world peace. What these two lines mean to say is that the soldiers of India, they consider that everybody has a right to be independent, and the crops or each and every grain or particle of a country, it talks of world peace. मेघ सांवले बरसाते हैं जहां अहिंसा का पानी, अपनी मांगे पोंछ डालती हंसते हंसते कल्याणी. मेघ सांवले, मेघ means clouds, सांवले dark. बरसाते हैं, it drops. अहिंसा का पानी, the water of non-violence. अहिंसा means non-violence. अपनी मांगे पोंछ डालती हंसते हंसते कल्याणी. Mange means part. Poch dalti means she removes the sindoor on her part. Hanse hanse, without any regrets. Kalyani means the Indian women. Mostly here it is being referred to the wives of the soldiers. In India, even the dark clouds, when they rain, they talk about non-violence. In the sense that everywhere, India believes in non-violence. And the wives of these soldiers, they do not regret when they lose their husbands in the fight for independence and non-violence. ऐसी भारत माँ के बेटे मान गंवाना क्या जाने, मेरे देश के लाल हटीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने. These two lines mean The children of such a mother, how do they know to lose their self-respect? Man here means the pride or self-respect. Gavana means to lose. मेरे देश के लाल हठीले. Here mostly lal means children, mainly being referred to Indian soldiers. How do they know to bend their head in front of others? जहां पढ़ाया जाता केवल माँ की खातिर मर जाना, जहां सिखाया जाता केवल करके अपना वचन निभाना. That country where it is taught that just for your motherland, you should not hesitate to even die, to sacrifice your life. जहां सिखाया जाता means it is taught. केवल करके अपना वचन निभाना. You act and you keep your promise. That is, you keep your promises by bringing them into action. जियो शान से मरो शान से जहां का है कौमी गाना, बच्चा बच्चा पहने रहता जहां शहीदों का बाना. जियो शान से, you live with pride. मरो शान से, even you die with pride. Qaumi Gana means the national song. This is the national song of India. Bachcha bachcha, every child, pehne rehta, jahan shahidon ka bana. Shahidon ka bana means of the martyrs, the dress of the martyrs. Here, what it means is that that country where each and every child is ready to sacrifice himself for the sake of the country. उस धरती के अमर सिपाही पीठ दिखाना क्या जाने, मेरे देश के लाल हठीले शीश झुकाना क्या जाने. Amar Sipahi means those soldiers who never die, martyrs. Peet dikhana, to accept defeat. The martyrs or the soldiers of such a country, how do they know to accept defeat? How does such a country's children know to bend head in front of others or to accept defeat? Here the entire poem, mainly it talks about the soldiers as well as each and every Indian who is ready to sacrifice their life for the sake of their country, who speak of non-violence and who speak of world peace. Written by Balkavi Bairagi, it's a beautiful poem. I hope you all enjoyed and understood it. Please let me know if you have any doubts in the comments below. I'll definitely get back to you. Thank you for watching Kids Hub. In case you have any doubts, please do let me know. And please do not forget to like and subscribe so that others can also understand and enjoy this poem. See you. Bye-bye.